Hey, buddy.
What's up, buddy?
Today,
What we doing today?
I'm gonna get these wires hooked up to this car.
Okay.
I mean, not the control box, but I'm gonna go ahead and hook. Hey, buddy. I interrupted the program so I could talk about this product that's coming up. I was looking for something to cover the wires with. You know, I don't like the unsightly wires, you know. So I was gonna get like a little wire loom, a little plastic, you know, the plastic covering, the little black thing. But I saw something else, and I decided I would try that. Now this is a braided sleeve, braided sleeving. You know what I'm saying? It's this is by a company called Alex Tech. But it's like, I'm sure you've seen cords that was covered with this stuff. You know, it's real. It makes it real neat, you know what I'm saying? But when I ordered this and it came and I opened up the box and everything and I saw it, I was kind of afraid. Afraid? Afraid of what? Wait, run it back. Let's do this over. Yeah, fine. I was kind of nervous because it's kind of thin, you know what I'm saying? I was like, how am I gonna get some wires in there? I didn't know if I can get one wire in there. But it's a trick to it, you know what I'm saying? So you gotta push, you gotta compress it. And it gets bigger the more you compress it. So I'm gonna try this with two. Well, I'm gonna do it with two. I'm gonna show you how I do it. 2 wires. You know what I'm saying? I put 5. I use 5 for my model for the Lowrider, but I'm gonna use 2 just to show you right here. So you know, the hardest thing is probably getting it started in the hole. Once you get the wires in the hole, you are already done. You know what I'm saying? It's over with. You can't pull it. Don't try to pull it because it tightens up when you pull it. You gotta push it. You just cinch it along. Like push it on, hold it, and then pull it out. Cinch it on, hold it, pull it out. You know what I'm saying? It's like the toothpaste method. You know what I'm saying? Like when you're trying to get that last piece of toothpaste out of the toothpaste tube, you know, you just squeeze it on out. That's what you do with this. You push it on, then squeeze the toothpaste out. You know what I'm saying? Real simple. See, I already got this much in there. But it's a real nice product. I like it. I think you will like it. You know what I'm saying? It's not a paid sponsor. I don't get money for this. You know what I'm saying? I just brought it to you because I thought that, you know, I liked it. So I thought you might like it. You know, go get you some. It's real inexpensive. You know what I'm saying? I think this costs like $7, $8. I don't know. I had a price on there. And it's on Amazon. I mean, I don't even know why. I never heard of this stuff. But it's real good. Get you some of this. I got this much left, so you'll probably be seeing, you know, some more of this if I have some more projects that got wires in it and everything. But yeah, get you some of that. You know what I'm saying? Now back to your regularly scheduled program. Get up to the car. You know what I'm saying? Okay. I got this nice hey, what's that blue stuff? This blue wire cover stuff. The sleeve, you know what I'm saying? I mean, it seemed to be working pretty good, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, I agree. I got these 5 wires stuffed into it, and 5 is probably the most I want to try, because it was pretty tight. Okay. Anyway, let me get these situated, get them soldered to the motors. Let's get it wired up. And I'm going to be done with the wiring, you know, of the actual, the car part. I don't know what I'm looking at. Not the switch box, but, you know, the car part. So this is basically just a lot of soldering, you know what I'm saying? And yeah, I wasn't really intending on putting that sleeve on it right then and there. So why you do it? It's just I was testing it out and it was going so good. I was like, I might as well just keep it on here. Oh. So I mean, obviously the car is gonna have some, you know, a little blue theme. Yeah, I wasn't gonna say nothing, but you know, got a lot of blue cord. And you saw the, you know, the blue grill and the blue wheels, blue D's. You know what I'm saying? So the blue D's. So yeah, everything matching. I used the hot glue as opposed to the cold glue. I used the hot glue for the to hold my wires down, and I put it at the end of that braided sleeve to keep it from unraveling and to keep it from sliding around. Oh, okay, that's smart. So yeah, that's gonna stay in place. So when you planning on painting this? Painting it? I would have painted it today, you know, but We've been having a lot of rain, you know what I'm saying? All over the Midwest, all over the country, all over the world, all over the galaxy.
Yeah, that's not funny. That wasn't even a joke or anything.
Anyway, I'm finishing up with the wiring, you know, adding the flux.
Flux time.
I don't know why, but I don't seem to ever run out of flux. I got that little thing.
That's crazy.
It's
You
still
have to put that flux in your wheel.
It still look like it's full, so I don't know. But I make bad jokes. Okay.
I'm trying to be like you.
So yeah, it look like we're done with the wiring.
Oh yeah, we done with this thing.
You know what I'm saying? Kind of look like a bomb.
Yeah, it definitely look like a bomb, don't it?
Like all of your jokes. Now that's funny.
Thank you.
Shut up. So yeah, we about to wrap this one up.
Another one for the books.
Another one.
Yeah, we gotta go.
Thanks for watching.
You're welcome.
Like, comment, subscribe.
I will.
You know what I'm saying?
I have.
Peace.
Peace.